Hello everybody. Today I would like to discuss about a research proposal. A research proposal is a plan for research. It is mandatory in research process. It is also called as a synopsis. There are three types of research proposals. Number one, a research proposal submitted by an individual for a doctoral degree or a MPhil degree. Second one, a research proposal submitted to an agency to carry out a project. Number three, a research proposal submitted by an institution or department to higher authority to carry out a research work. There are four steps are there for writing a research proposal. First step is introduction. Here the first point is the title of the problem. The problem statement of the problem should be precise and simple. Second one, review of related literature. So as the term indicates, related means relevant studies. So you have to search for relevant studies and the findings. So for foreign studies and for native studies, and studies should be mentioned in the chronological order. For the proposal only, it is better if you take recent studies. You have to mention the less studies. That is why I told that 4 studies are enough, 4 for foreign studies and 4 for native studies. And you have to mention the research gap analysis. That's very important. What is the gap in connection with your title of the research? And next, need of the study. What is the need of the study? Why the need arises to select such a research title? And next point, definition of technical terms. Here you have to define the variables and you have to mention the operational definition of the variables. Second one, procedures and collection of data. First section, introduction, and second section or second part is procedures and collection of data. Here the first point is population of the study. What is the population of the study and from which sources you have selected the population for your study? And second point, sampling. What is the size of the sample and which sampling technique you have adopted for collecting the data? And keep in mind, 30% of the population is the ideal sample size. It's better if it is 30%. And third point, research tools. Which tools you are referring for your research, that you have to mention. If you are contributing your own tool, that's also you have to mention that investigator is going to contribute a research tool. And third one, statistical analysis. Which statistical analysis you are adopting for your study? So there are different statistical techniques are there. So you have to select a proper statistical analysis in connection with your title and variables. And next comes bibliography. This is very important. Here you have to mention books, research articles, and thesis you have referred, and you have to mention it in the form of EPS style. So these are the 4 steps for a research proposal. If you are submitting proposal for research study, I mean MPhil or PhD. Apart from this, 2 more steps are there. That is the time schedule and budget schedule. Suppose if you are submitting a proposal for project work or else to a funding agency, then 2 more steps are there. That is time schedule. What is the time schedule you required to complete research work? What is the schedule? What is the duration of the study? That you have to mention under the time schedule. Next comes budget. So how much the budget aspect you need? What is the budget of your study? That you have to mention here. So these are the steps of proposal. First 4 steps are very important to carry out MPhil or PhD degree, and other 2 steps if you are submitting a research proposal for project work. Thank you. I hope you have got the information. Thank you and all. Thank you.